I'm Mrs. McGann. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you my favorite hot cocoa. This hot cocoa, I'm going to be calling it Filipino-American hot cocoa because I'm mixing two different culture here. We use a lot of these ingredients in the Philippines, and we use a lot of these ingredients here in America, especially Hershey's, right? So not sponsored by any of these products, but I just wanted to share with you my very favorite hot cocoa. We're gonna start with a cold pan. I'm going to put half a cup of evaporated milk. And this is the evaporated milk that I use. 1 cup of this extra creamy original Planet Oat oat milk. Okay, that's a cup. 1/4 teaspoon of this pure vanilla extract. A tablespoon of Hershey's cocoa. A dash of cinnamon. A dash of nutmeg. That's all you need. And I'm now going to turn the heat on to a high heat. There you go. Just bring this to almost a boil. So make sure you mix it very well so they're all well incorporated, okay? You can also add some sweetener if you like, but I don't like it too sweet because the oat milk and also the evaporated milk has, enough sugar for me, and I'm too sweet already, so I don't need any more added extra sweetness in this. As you can see, the bubbles on the side right there, it's boiling already. I'm going to shut it off. I'm going to be using heavy cream for the topping. And to whip the whipped cream, I have this very, very cold stainless steel bowl and very, very cold whisk. So I use a different whisk in cooking the hot cocoa. And I use this cold whisk to whip the heavy cream. 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, and we're gonna whisk this right away. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's pretty stiff. I like that. Okay, we got the heavy cream, and now we're gonna do the assembly of my hot cocoa. We're gonna put this Nestle cream on the bottom as a surprise. So just about half a tablespoon, just to put that in the bottom. This is very creamy, you guys. You don't need a lot. Yum. It's okay to lick my finger because this is a single serve hot cocoa. So I don't mind. Then we're gonna put our hot cocoa. Make sure that you kind of re-stir it because the skin kind of build up there while we're waiting to make this whipped cream. So I'm just gonna pour this on my cup. Oh, look at that. Have cream kind of lifted up a little bit right there on top. Now we're gonna put all these. Oops, I splatter all over. Oopsies. You notice I didn't add any sugar on my whipped cream. I just really don't like it too sweet, And I didn't add vanilla because the cocoa has all the flavors already. This is just kind of extra. All right, so we're gonna put all of this beautiful heavy cream, all of it right there. Bloop. Beautiful. All of it. Not gonna waste any of that. And just for a little bit of color and more flavor, we're gonna do a little bit of cinnamon. It's not going. Trying to be too careful. Let me just put this in my hand because I don't want too much cinnamon. There you go. And then just kind of sprinkle it. Yum! There you go. Now we have our beautiful hot cocoa with Filipino twist in it. Consider making this hot cocoa at home and let me know how you like it. But first, I gotta take a big sip of this beautiful hot cocoa. So this is pretty much what I drink when I'm craving hot cocoa. There you go, my hot cocoa with Filipino twist. Very rich, super creamy. I like that little touch of cinnamon on top of my whipped cream. And the cocoa is not too empowering. I didn't put too much. It's a great blend of all the ingredients, the oat milk, the evaporated milk, the little surprise of heavy cream, our version of our heavy cream, the Nestle cream, and the vanilla definitely is a great tone on this hot cocoa. Hope that you like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And remember to share this video with someone you love. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Mrs. McGann's Kitchen. Thank you very much for your time. Maraming salamat po. Mwah! Yummy!